got something I gotta do tonight. Listen.
Ain't never been a man wanting anything as much as I want you. The sun don't come up till morning, so tonight there's no excuse. Just like the rain outside, I'll make your love come down. So baby, now it's time. Just can't wait no more. I'm gonna give you what your body's been crying for.
And if you tell me yes, I'll lay it down. Girl, we ain't gotta rush, just play around. We'll do it like we never done before. So go and lock that door.
Baby, don't worry, cause I'll be gentle.
Come on, baby, turn the lights off, let's get naked.
Come on.
Come on, baby girl, you know I just can't take it.
I can't take it no more.
Let your panties hit the floor. Let your body steal the show right now. It seems like you're ready, so come on. Girl, I just can't wait to see us naked.
I know you want this, girl, I see it in your eyes. Don't be ashamed of what you got between those thighs. Oh, you know I'm gonna try not to be so excited,
But I can't help it,
feels so good to be invited. So baby, get ready, cause here I go.
your shoes on, see them toe.
Slip off that skirt.
And that shirt's gotta go.
Oh,
I'm up in drawers, girl, you won't be
you
needing
won't need it, babe.
Now you're wearing what I like, baby, let's go. Baby, turn the lights off, let's get naked.
Let's get naked.
Come on, baby girl, you know I just can't take it.
I can't take it no more.
Panties hit the floor. Let your body steal the show right now. It seems like you're ready, so come on. Girl, I just can't wait to see
She's
you
naked. There's something about that sexy skin you in. Your clothes don't do you justice, so come out of them.
So baby, take that off
So I can break you off.
and give you love, love, love.
Now it's time to enjoy yourself. If you need assistance, baby girl, I'm here to help. Cause it's time for us to start this love naked. First we gotta get butt naked.
Damn, girl. You look so good. Won't you come over here? Slip off that skirt. You know that shirt gotta go.
Baby, baby, baby.
You're looking kinda right. Now you know it's time. Let's get naked.
If you tell me yes, I'll lay it down. We do it like we never done before.